GATE 2012 Civil Engineering Question 54. The drainage area of a watershed is 50 square kilometers. The phi-index is 0.5 cm per hour and the base flow at the outlet is 10 meter cube per second. 1 hour unit hydrograph of unit depth 1 cm of the watershed is triangular in shape with a time base of 15 hours. The P coordinate occurs at 5 hours. The P coordinate in meter cube per second per centimeter of the unit hydrograph is, the four options given are A 10, B 18.52, C 37.03 and D 185.2. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. So coming to the useful data, if we are given a hydrograph where discharge is on the y-axis and time is on the x-axis. So let us assume the hydrograph is triangular in shape, and let us assume that the peak forms at Tp and this whole duration is Tb, which is the base period. Let us call the peak discharge as Qp. So the total amount of storm runoff that would have happened is half into Q into Tb. This can be compared to the water received from the catchment. So that would be equal to the area of the catchment into the unit hydrograph's magnitude. So by comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we will get half QTB equals A into the magnitude of the unit hydrograph. Generally it is 1 centimeter, so it will be taken as 0.01 meters. So in this case it has been given that the hydrograph is triangular in shape, the peak forms at a duration of 5 hours and the base of the hydrograph is given as 15 hours. The peak discharge is mentioned as Qp, which needs to be found. So Qp needs to be found. The time base is 15 hours. The area of the catchment has been mentioned as 50 square kilometers and the unit hydrograph's magnitude is 1 centimeter, which will be equal to 0.01 meters. So the area of the hydrograph would be half Qp into the time base equals the area of the catchment into the unit hydrograph's magnitude. So this would be half into Qp needs to be found into 15, but this should be taken in seconds since Qp is in meter cube per second. So area 50 into 10 to the power 6. So square kilometers would be converted to square meters in the SI units. Unit hydrograph will be taken as 0.01. So from this Qp will be obtained as 18.518 meter cube per second. This can be rounded off to 18.52 meter cube per second. So the P coordinate of the unit hydrograph was found out as 18.52, that is option B. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.